This weekend we are at Supercar Fest 2024. We have got the Jag ready, we've got the Porsche ready, a few customers' cars on the stand. We're going to have a great weekend with the team, a few beers, and hopefully set some ridiculous speeds down the runway.
That one, I think, that black one.
Follow the path,
Yeah.
and go to drive on the left one.
Perfect. Thank you.
M5, M42 with us, M40. Your brakes a bit warm, mate. That's all I said to him. Straight.
Oh, put it in the back of the unit.
Oh, you say back in unit 3?
Yeah, that would cover the wall, the back of unit 3, that would.
How are you going to account for a fag in the fire exit?
Yeah, we just parked it here.
Our job team, abandoned on.
Wow, what a team! Bloody loads of you. My God, you've gone completely mad. Right, what do you know what you got, you know what you're doing, you know where you... Oh! Right, okay.
You got one on the...
Upgraded the radio.
Robin to Polly. Right, okay. Yeah, we've planned everything out. Everybody's got about 24 mates who are coming in, so...
I haven't got that many. Most of mine have died.
Yeah. I think I've got one.
There it is. They've all tried you different ways, haven't they?
There's a lot, yeah. Oh, just put it there, I said.
Yeah. Thanks, love.
No, just so you don't have two Mac cars next to each other. And obviously the Jag's going to pull more people in than anybody else. Yeah.
To be fair, it's had the most inquiries so far.
It has.
At least we have coal. We're good on the gravel. Yeah. Driven would love it for their meetings outside. His boyfriend. He's came the fuck out of that.
Yeah.
He's probably back down to half a tank.
I reckon it's that gaff on the corner there. You're now for a big fucking yellow arch.
Left up here.
I think it's that one.
Dominoes.
Fucking neighbours ain't gonna like him.
We call that a small shape. No parties, right?
Yeah, I can pass that. You set your rims in, probably, mate.
Same, mate.
Tracer.
On the sofa.
That was nice one. They can have this one, there, come.
Yeah, they'll be back to come for you, won't they? Oh, well, place, isn't it?
Don't know where the old man's going.
Well, there's a sofa bed downstairs.
Don't fit in there, Fatty.
There's a barbecue and a pizza.
They're both meeting.
Mate, the pizza's all on the route.
Are you ordered?
You're not putting it on, are you? From yours.
You've gone too far.
Karaoke night started early. Passes.
Carl's not seeing anything for the rest of the weekend.
Can't see, can't hear. Fucking hell.
You dipping it.
Most important one.
Tight now, isn't it? All them years.
We did the first Supercar Fest together and that.
No. I think you're going to struggle to sleep tonight, mate.
Straight on the story. No regard.
Weird, isn't it? Nobody around.
Here's a can of Monster, be quiet.
Like that, you mean?
Good.
Alright then, mate.
Yeah. Look at that. Obviously it's worked.
Oh, it's so deep. Done. All good, mate. All good.
That's easy.
There we are.
That's the Martin Valkyrie next car.
That's the most expensive thing, isn't it? That Diva, that's about 5.
What colour's your Bugatti?
That's going to be nice and chilly now, isn't it?
That's from there.
That was from about
You
2
never
hours
took-
ago.
you never-
One for the socials, get a picture of that. Get the teeth in, though.
Yeah. Get the teeth in. The other bit though, doesn't it? Get the teeth in.
I knew that's what it would be. Mate, get it on there.
Delete that video.
Sample for colour PPF either.
I'm going down the runway later, am I? Mate, it's going awesome. The sun's managed to come out finally. We've took the Jag down the strip. We got 154 mile an hour this morning. We're going to go for the 160 later on. Managed to smoke a Ferrari. Big shout out to Paul Candler. He only managed a 150. But yeah, we're doing great. Got the Jag on the stand, the supercar killer. We got the GT4 over there. Having a great day, meeting a load of cool people. And yeah, fingers crossed tomorrow's going to be a bit the same.
What have we got planned when we get back home?
Beers. Lots of beer.
Urban Tiger.
And a bit of Urban Tiger. If you know, you know.
He's still here. He's still kicking it.
What looks better then? Just tell us.
As a girl, I prefer that one.
Ah!
But I can totally see that that one looks like proper.
Polly will book in next year.
Thank
Thank you very much. Hey.
Ah, you run over the front. Insurance claim. Good I've had a big car.
Have reached your destination.
Thank you.
I'll have the pallet tonight.
You fucking don't want to go on there. Go and get a beer, and then just go and get it.
Oh, the manager.
Get your beer. Get your beer.
But what if?
I'll tell you what. When you're there,
You over beer?
I'll put you ready.
I'll come with you.
Go with it.
Go get a beer on the food.
Oh,
Can I have a piss first?
Yeah.
Get a beer as well. £1,000 bonus. Oh, the camera! Oh, he feels horrendous! He feels horrendous! Oh, mate! 4, squeeze it, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You're going to have to overlay some proper good guitar player.
That's right, just strumming. That's what you want to put on there.
Why come out that one, mate?
They're not bifold, mate.
The strings are going to go in a minute, I reckon.
The string's gonna go.
You in tune now?
That was nearly it, weren't it?
Can I Sharon over here?
We need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
Yes, please.
Here it is.
Last review in the book says the barbecue's really good, and I'm thinking, fucking hell.
Hang on. Mate, you need to stop sitting like that, you're turning me on. I'll tag you in it, don't worry.
From the air. Wait till he lands.
Last time I wound a wasp, I thought a bee stuck down straight in the face. I look over it, and the bee's on his face there, and he's like, what the fuck's going on?
Stink like a butterfly, stink like a bee.
A CTV man walks in, I've got a pair of pliers trying to pull the stinger out of his face.
I see it, I'm driving a car and he's batting his fucking round. What the fuck else are you doing? Literally step out the van and it just got it straight inside the face, didn't it? Straight in.
The stinger was like stuck in his cheek as well, so I've got the pliers, I'm like, fucking stand still.
Right, lads, fucking good.
Hang on, there's been too many Titanic references tonight. The iceberg, the bird on the sofa.
Hold on, Jack!
He looks like his kids.
I feel like Cal.
That's what I just said.
Maybe 2 sizes too small for Come on, next. Drift group.
Oh, come on, look at the back wheel.
God, that's bending.
Look at the back wheel.
My life is all falling apart, mate.
Liam's gonna ride on.
So that's you, that, mate.
What's that?
Here we are, Supercar Fest, day 2. We've been bombing down the runway, left, right and centre. We've had the Aston down, we've had the Ferrari down, we've had the GT4 down, we've had the Jag down. We've done some good times. Obviously the Jag won every single time, but it is what it is. The weather's out today. It's a little bit windy, but it's sunny. I'm burning, I got sun cream on, but I'm probably gonna turn into a bit of a lobster today. The guys have just broke for lunch down the runway, and then we're going to get back onto the runway later on, hopefully show you guys what we're up to and do those bits and pieces. But thanks for watching, see you soon.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
What colour's your Bugatti? We've got to check it out. Big John doing. Fucking Chinese. Bosh.
So that wraps up Supercar Fest 2024. We've had an awesome couple of days with the team. Thanks to everybody at Pyramid Car Care. You've been amazing. From me to you, thank you so much. We've had the GT4 down the track, smoked it with the F-Type. Cal's really annoyed about it, so you're probably not going to see much of him in this little video that we're doing. But everything with these has been amazing. Supercar Fest organisers, thank you so much. Until next time, peace out.